That fresh Lay's house Italian sausage we made together this morning, now it's your juiciest spaghetti meatballs ever. Weekend comfort made easy. 2 pounds of your thawed or fresh, like Lay's house Italian sausage, mild or spicy. 2 eggs, soaked breadcrumbs with milk. 2 tablespoons fresh parsley. 4 tablespoons grated Parmigiano-Reggiano cheese. Mix gently until sticky and cohesive. If too wet, add more breadcrumbs. Scoop with a 1/4 cup measure. Roll into even balls and place on a lined sheet. Bake at 400 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes until just firm. They will finish in the sauce. In a Dutch oven, sauté diced onion and garlic in olive oil or butter. Brown the meatballs on all sides. Add 2 cups San Marzano crushed tomatoes, 1 cup water, oregano, and basil. Simmer covered for 10 minutes. Add water if needed. Salt and pepper to taste. Boil 1 pound spaghetti per package, minus 1 minute for al dente. Drain. Toss spaghetti in the bowl with sauce. Use pasta water to loosen if needed. Top with meatballs. Garnish with more Parmigiano-Reggiano and parsley. Lay's house sausage makes the best meatballs. Flavors without borders. Full recipe below. What sausage dish next? Comment and subscribe. Thank you.